Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how I use Canva to design social media flyers for our community. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Okay, so when you arrive at the Canva dashboard, it could be very overwhelming for a newbie who is just starting out because of the various sessions you get to find there. Now you'll be like, how do I navigate this and that, as a newbie? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the major sessions that will help you design fast, right, and complete your client task. So when you arrive at your dashboard, you find various sessions. At the top here, you see your design session, your template session, then your Canva AI session. On your design session, it highlights your most recent designs for you, right? That's what you find there. Then the template session, Canva has a whole lot of existing templates you can select and modify till the design, right? I mean, they have a whole lot of designs in form of templates. Instead of you to start from scratch, you can easily click on any one and boom, you get started from there. Then another session here is a Canva AI session where through your prompt, you could tap any of your prompt here and Canva will take care of the design process for you. Right. Then another session here is on the left here are the home session, the classroom session. There are a whole lot, right? But as we design from scratch from a template in this video, you are going to be learning few of the most required session you need to actually design and share with your client and maybe your personal project. Okay, so to get started, come over to this icon here, the create icon here. You click on it, right? If you are not seeing this, you can scroll downward to your custom size option here, where you get to select the width, the height, and the unit value. So for me, I prefer a perfect square, the 1080 by 1080. So I'm just going to type it here, 1080 by 1080. Then once I have that, click on create new design. Then it will open me up to the design Canva, where I can get to place elements within the Canva. So let's wait for it to load up. And right, when you arrive at your design Canva like this, there are a whole lot of sections you can actually explore. The file, the resize, the editing, the um the redo and undo icons, the save icon, the session list to name it. Okay, for this tutorial, we're going to be designing a restaurant flyer, right? So I'll name this restaurant flyer. Here is my profile icon where you can actually share your design file and download your design file, and also you can share with a teacher based on the account I have currently. So on the left hand side, there are a whole lot of sections here which we are going to explore the major part as design. Okay, so not to waste your time further, this is our design session. We can do a whole lot here. You can change this color here to any color of our choice, right? Or could make this black. No, but I have to know that. Okay, so before we select the templates, you can actually design from scratch using Canva, right? There are a whole lot of sections here. For instance, when you want to add text to your design, you can come over to the text section, select the heading, and type in whatever you want to type in. You can add the subheading, right? You can also add the body text to it. Another good thing is that Canva has a whole library of design files and resources. For instance, I can search for, let's say, a shape, right? Because these are my most recent design and most recent use resources here. I can search here for, let's say a phone, let's say phone icon, right here under the graphics section. We have the photo section, we have the frame section, we have the 3D section, we have the video section. There are a whole lot of resources out here. So for instance, I can select the graphics option here, then I resize, I can change the color, whatever option I want. I can choose to resize. When you select on the actual element, it has this 4 sizes where I can hold drag to resize, right? Come over again to the element section. Let's say I want a car, right? I will search and enter. I can filter again with the graphics section, the photo section, on and on like that. So I'll take, let's go for the photo section. I can select this, I can resize. So you can do a whole lot of designing from scratch using Canva. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to spend much of my time designing from scratch. Rather, I'm going to be exploring what we call the templates library. So for me to explore the Canva templates library, I will come over to the design section. There is an input field here where you can actually search by keyword. For instance, these are my most recent search keyword, right? Because of this tutorial, we are designing a restaurant flyer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for restaurant here by the keyword, that's all. And I'll click on the enter button. So you can see from the template option, we have the style option. The style option is where you get to combine so many stuff like the templates, the brand templates and stuff like that. But we're going to be exploring just the template option here. For instance, there are a whole lot of design files here. But I'm just trying to keep it simple. Okay, let's go with this. I will select this and boom, it is added to my Canva, right? As simple as that. So the next thing I will be doing now is to customize this design. I can customize this design. Everything here, I can customize it. Customize it. The 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 head in here. I can customize this. I can customize. Everything here. I can customize everything here, right? Another thing is that you can add multiple design to your Canva. For instance, if I want to add another design link to my Canva, I will come to this icon here, click on add a new page. Then when I have that page set up, I could come over here again, look for any design that suits me, right? Then I click on it again. Boom. Now we have two beautiful designs for us to customize. I have the first design. So while we wait for the design to properly load up, let's customize this. Let me zoom so I can properly modify this text. So I can come in here and say today's special meal. Now it's overlapping. Let me zoom out. Let me expand this. Now we have it on the straight line. And I can come here and try to center it correctly. Right? Then here I can also change this figure here. I can say, let's say 10 per portion. We can come here, healthy salad for, let's say, for you. I can call it and say, please order now. Put an exclamation here and here. So overlapping, please order now. Okay, let's say I'll size this. I'll say please your order. Right? So we are gradually making this look good. And I'll select both. Bring it downward a bit. I will align it to the center properly. Now we have our design ready to download. Right? So this is how simple you can actually customize a template to suit your design need. Then also for the second design, we'll do the same. We can customize everything here. Let's say this, I want this to be 3. I can select and change the figure. I can, yeah, I can change the number. Let's say +2347079 8 651981. Right? And customize it. You can see let's say Lucky Lagos State, Nigeria. Right? This is how simple you can build from a template instead of building from scratch. So all of these, everything here can be customized. I mean, every single thing can be customized. Then once you are done, you come over to this share button. Then you scroll downward, right? And you find the download option, right? So here you have the option to select the file type. Do you want it in JPEG, PNG, PDF, whatever format you wanted, but it's recommended the PNG session option, right? Then from here you can select the number of page you want to download. For instance, I want us to download both pages. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to select both pages, right? Page 1 and 2, because they are both selected, right? Done. Then click on the download. Then the moment you select to download, the downloading process will start, and just a few minutes, the design will be ready, right? So you can find out from here and track how the design is currently going. And that is that your design file is ready. So the next thing you do is to go to your file manager, to actually see your design. Because we design for two separate screens, it was in a zip format. So I will unzip, and here you have the design right here. Let me close. So this is the design. Then the first design. This is the second design. So this is how you can easily design any flyer on Canva, starting from a template. If you find any value in this video, can you like and share this with whether you believe there's this. If you want to learn more about Canva from scratch, a beginner's class, I'll be hosting a Canva masterclass coming up soon. If you are interested, kindly leave your comments below and your pinpoint what you want to learn, the concept about Canva that you still trying to understand. Kindly write it down in the comment section. I will compile the list and use it to get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.